Are you looking for a home that's only had one owner in the last 46 years?
That's been meticulously maintained.
With a long list of big ticket items that have been recently updated.
All just steps to Barrie's vibrant downtown core and stunning waterfront. All that and more on today's episode.
Brendan, we find ourselves at a listing with a history that we don't see very often. This property has only had one owner. While it was built in 1978, that one owner has maintained this property diligently, and we have a whole list of updates that have happened over the course of the last 6 years.
Yeah, Julie, the home is truly spectacular, but the location is AAA as well. Now, just steps down Peel Street here, we have downtown Barrie, where all of those shops and dining, and of course, Lake Simcoe is down there. But we are also just one block away from Bayfield Street, where you've got easy highway access, 400 north and south, and then a little bit further up, Georgian Mall and all of those big box store amenities. Now let's head inside and check out our newest listing.
Welcome to 143 Peel Street. The unique design of this backsplit offers over 1,700 square feet of above-grade living space. The main floor of this property offers the convenience of separate living and dining, all flooded with natural light. The upper level of this home is rounded out by 3 generous-sized bedrooms, a 4-piece bathroom, and ample storage.
The conveniences in this home continue as you work your way down into the lower levels, starting with the double access you have from either your driveway or your garage. Easy to come into this space rather than the front door, as well as continued storage space in the unfinished portion of the basement. Perfect for a workshop as well. And of course, this lower level continues with this fantastic open space, whether you're looking for an awesome spot to hang out with the family in front of the wood burning fireplace, watching a movie or having game night, or maybe it's a rec room. But even more, you can utilize this space for multi-family living, whether it's the adult children or maybe the elderly parents. This is the perfect spot to house those people because you also have an additional full bathroom here. And of course, easy access through this slider into your fully fenced backyard. And for the investors out there, I couldn't think of a better conversion opportunity to add to your portfolio.
Brendan, I touched on earlier that this property has only had one owner, and there's a laundry list of items that have been recently updated, and that includes your AC, your roof, your windows, your vinyl siding, not to mention your electrical.
Yeah, that's right, Julie. It truly is a turnkey package offering complete peace of mind, and just steps from the house is where you find us right now, which is downtown Barrie. We've got the incredible core of Dunlop Street with fantastic shops, dining, and cafes, but you cannot forget about what we have right behind us here in Kempenfelt Bay. Just an incredible list of recreation, whether it's on the water, off the water with things like splash pad for the kids. We've got multiple beaches wrapping around this bay, from Johnson's Beach, Centennial Beach, as well as Manette's Point and more. And if you're looking to escape the city, we have incredible walking, hiking, and biking trails that can take you all the way up to places like Aurelia.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.